I was there. There is huge confusion between Yewura Brian Acheampong a camp and Yewura Kennedy Ohene Japan camp. Now, asema aba abontin nyina ne say, unim say 2024 elections before say Yewura Kennedy Ohene Japan obetu ne to akoye campaign e de ama NPP no. Yewura Brian Acheampong ema no kanisi kan 50 billion and nesika 5 million Ghana cedis ansa na Yewura otu ne to say okoye campaign e de aboa NPP party. Na me no ka say Yewura Brian Acheampong camp omo de aba abontin omo there Yewura Kennedy Ohene Japan camp say asem no omo kan omo boa Yewura Kennedy Ohene Japan camp omo mla no omo be ya no and men so no behind every rumor there is an iota of truth. Asem no eye spokesperson Emma Yewura Brian Acheampong eye nua Pius ene be ka asem no enti e kire say asem no kra kakra wom na me ma asem a me kan say ye no kra pa say Yewura Kennedy Ohene Japan etimi G say sika poly 1 billion 2 billion 3 billion say 50 billion ansa na wotu ne to akoye campaign am MPP a ene Yewura Kennedy Ohene Japan wada roma wasem a wo ka say PhD patriotic honesty and discipline Yewura ene wada roma wabusu because obi oye patriotic and trying say ye be man 50 billion ansa na akoye campaign am MPP obi oye discipline and trying say ye be man 50 billion ansa na akoye campaign the NPP obi oye honest and trying say ye be man say sika we ansa na akoye campaign the NPP na me busa say Yewura Kennedy Japan ye hwehwem na wonko wutimi je say sika we 50 billion ansa na akoye campaign a and your polling station for wo say wo komo omo no omo nya asen and now na I say I na polling station for copy police slot omo copy immigration ni ade ye momutu ya 20,000 ni ade mi wa nkoa nipa ba ko ye se waje 50 billion ei asembe ni na se enipa ba ko fo age 50 billion ansa na wo sorry se me koye campaign am MPP e be ye den ye timi awe ni election 2024 because se obi ti ono so beka so pay 50 billion obi ti ono so beka so pay 50 billion him fan ye koi abusia on said there be ya me ka say election 2024 na ekoye no ai lusu ye no enye Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia o na emum eye NPP mu enyoma bi a ankoyi ne ma ye lusu elections and abeda bonten say nipa ba ko etimi gi 50 billion ansana wasore akoye campaign e de ama NPP o wi a no akbeka kire yen delegates any polling station for say ane ono de oye honest discipline and patriotic. But the word patriotic that's unpracticed.
In fact, you mean 2023 primaries, no? Nguko no ba Yewura Kennedy afano. Oti da kakra, Yewura Brian Acheampong ne frɛ no. Ehye no kran se da bi entene fie pie, ye campaign ma wonu apanyin. Ye campaign se wonu aketewa wo se ye campaign ma Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. But bia wo so sisia na wo free contest mo. Enti bi ahode na kofam make akra ni egie 5 million cedis anka ne sika 50 billion g pia bontin bua wonua
odema
Kennedy Japan. That's right,
a car and 5 million cedis,
not a car.
Okay,
we see what car me kakra ni
me kakra ni so ka me car ni
me
kakra ni
yes g
5 million cedis to say on fan stepping out no
almost stepping out.
All right, ebusiafo say mo tinsem na ekoso papa na mu hunu sisia no or no spokesperson ma Brian Acheampong or see after Honorable Kennedy Japan lose election no or the 50 billion enu no di ye ansana obeye campaign ma MPP obeye ma campaign ma Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia ene Kevin Taylor Mooney NDC full soldiers na supporting Honorable Kennedy Japan. Question I'm bisane say ahina NDC for etua Honorable Kennedy Japan because to the look of things, you know, the NDC is trying everything possible say on person go MPP and they are using Honorable Kennedy Japan and Honorable Kennedy Japan so catch maybe to say or no or that sorry or junior mabienu ntokwa eni sika or say sa nyama tupe na ya Odwe ho. Nti mu delegate for oba mu ntia mu bisa questions o nya mamu nkotena ho keke o. Mamu tena ho Emma NDC for use honorable candidate Japan essay your party no. Obi a also opese o lead o I will lose the election or say 50 billion as our be campaign. We na musi mudi nechi no nipa say na mudi nechi na no K no vote no K we na mudi nechi no yo yeshem.
It is possible NPP primaries are airbus when Yami Adoma 31st January 2026 no. Aya Dr. Brian Champion on a campaign Kasama for Mr. Pius. Ede beto abontin say Honorable Brian Champion to 50 billion old cities. Ede ma Honorable kana compare kwa Japan and san oja to say obe campaign ede ma Dr. Bawumia any NPP 2024 January election. Now asem we beto jan 4 good days ni krate bien free Honorable kana kachi emba say asama ye ke no kure anasa nya no kure. Then so yeti ye campaign. So bi kwa kasem na twi na so bi kasa no wanka ye pe. Ebe wan sakrat atintinti abeda bunti e chacha sem kromu. Then so 4 good days ni 4 solid days ni. Krata bia ma ye be dia dance say asama Pius gan ye. E no kra na nja say no kra. From person bi so Honorable Ken the campaign message original so na say ne kasa wa kan da bia patriotism, discipline and honesty. Then so Honorable Senka say sika we so went me anchire mu dia na say wan ye honest to us. Na say wan ka say wan ye discipline. One show patriotism towards the NPP in the 2024 election. Now, maybe I'm a customer, papa, and so really never campaign man. But I was saying, say, NPP man, you could, Yana, I had down quite dombo busy, or what party, or what the sacrifice, or what the loyalty, or what the woman in our farmer, and what the shame party. And your police station for your party sympathizers in never from yeah, Jumana, you free and a year Jumano. Nasa Papa back from 50 billion and son walk away campaign there. Now it's a partner the yaka. And before the 2028 election, I was a partner who could pay 50 billion. And every party need be because campaign amount for the break and say, yeah, the dija. That's about 50 billion. I can say 50 billion, and a charm over 250,000 air police station executive now. Could be a benasa. I can't make 50 billion. Keep it to the project because also is benefit party for you. That's what I'm going to say. Did the bottom ticket, share them on a book and some water too. Sir, obey a campaign at Yama, AMPP so. Who police station executive? Sikasen your Chiama or say, Jikwaya campaign. As Yenina, Kobana say, Yenina, the Atanas and the Luz Wapana. They are the blaming now Dr. Bawumia because on the Nisika party I had sacrifice and a loyalty. And see a refugee, is there quite the Osika and the BSC and Famano. Now, the person catch a police station, electoral area coordinator, constituency, national officer, will be a control by the say. And people among your corner that one, and yes, he come on the tea, and no munisika, on the crop, and the bread, and young famano, and a cambum at a party. No, it should be a one who Brasia or General, or better me say, I will come about, and you will be a back 7 men 1 and 2 years ago. It is honorable bread temple to meet you 50 billion at the honorable Kenna. Police station in will be another man, them so the Watuaba. Bet I was say, option in I back pay. Or Tuaba, if my doctor large Bawumia. Or no, ye Bakin now, but Montias, he coming from a back for so on Kudi, and a back for so he says he comes on Quabedi, or the Beba from I'm not so be asked.
And let me say a very special good evening to the incoming president.
Incoming?
Yes, the incoming president. Inshallah,
when is the election?
2029. He's going to be sworn in as the president of Ghana.
And who is that?
His Excellency, the former vice president of Ghana.
Oh, really?
The most effective vice president Ghana has ever had, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. The most humble.
Better than Ali Mahama.
He is the most effective. Okay. There is no doubt about his competence. Okay. Very humble, down to earth, very respectful. He deals with whoever he comes into contact with in a very respectable manner. So these are the qualities that Ghanaians look out for. 31st January 2026 is the day for our presidential primaries.
So you have declared your stance. And before you continue, let me ask you this. Some of your party faithfuls, I mean card-bearing members,
okay,
whenever they come to my studio and I ask them, oh, who are you? I mean,
supporting.
They go like, I don't want to declare myself.
Well,
Why?
people don't want to declare. People would
No,
want
but
to.
it's just like
As for me,
a football match. It's either you are supporting Liverpool or Arsenal.
Yeah,
So why are people
since
scared
I
to-
have a voting right and I'll vote. It means definitely I'll vote for one person. And I want the person to win.
Okay.
And so why should I hide it? I have to, since I want a particular person to win.
Okay.
What I have to do is to come out, campaign for the person, and make sure the person gets the mandate.
Okay.
So as for me,
Dr.
as for me, I'm for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I believe in consistency. If you look at the two political parties, the NPP and NDC, we have all been able to win power out of how consistent we have been with a particular candidate. And so we are not going away, we are not moving away from that precedent and that tradition. We are keeping and maintaining Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia for his humility, for the fact that he is the most marketable candidate that the NPP has right now. And that makes him the most popular. That makes him the most popular
there's no chance
candidate.
for Brian Kennedy or say
as it stands, I don't see anybody beating Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in these elections. Nobody.
That is my brother.
I don't see anybody beating Dr. Bawumia.
For the very first time, someone has been bold to tell me.
Oh, but I have said this severally on your platform. Here, I have declared this is not the first time. Yeah. Okay. Maybe you have not paid attention, but this is not the first time I have come on radio or I've been in the public space and declared that my support and my vote
is for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
No two ways about that.
Ken can do the job.
Not that he cannot do the job, but the easiest way to power for the NPP is through Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
All right.